Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming permissions, because most app camera failures are access-related. Open Settings and check that the app has camera enabled. Toggle it off and on to refresh the grant. Once done, force close the app and remove any physical lens cover, then relaunch. If the problem persists, restart the device so background services reset. This quick sequence resets common faults and proves whether the issue is permission, app state, or a temporary hardware block. Now you dig deeper. Update the app and the operating system, because mismatches often cause failures. If updates don't help, clear the app cache. If that's not enough, uninstall and reinstall to remove corrupted settings. On a PC, check camera drivers in Device Manager and roll back or update them. On a phone, reset camera settings in the Camera app or Settings menu. Make sure to close other camera-using apps, since two apps can fight for the camera resource. To finish, verify hardware versus software. Open a different app that uses the camera. If it works there, the issue is app-specific. If it fails everywhere, boot into safe mode or connect an external webcam to confirm a hardware failure. Inspect the lens for debris and test flashlight/indicator lights. If none of these steps fix it, contact the device maker or back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. But try support first, because
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.